What is up, guys? It is Kinino back here with another video, and in this tutorial video we're showing you how to download completely free ringtones. So you want to download this app called Zedge. It's on the Play Store right now. And it'll bring you up to this screen, and you want to click on that. You want to go on notifications. And you want to go on ringtones, because this is the whole point of this video. And then you'll have like those of things. So like, you got all of these things. Yeah, this one's pretty funny. You want this one?
Just a chat.
There's also panda music, so like this. So like that. And there's Deadpool, which is absolutely insane because everybody loves Deadpool. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Got all of me. You got everything, guys. You can even search. So yeah, that's the end of this tutorial video. So yeah, if you did enjoy it, please give a big fat thumbs up for more tutorial videos, and see you guys in the next video.
Panda. I got broads in Atlanta, just to the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers, getting no licks in the band. Legacies, family, fancy, look like a panda.